Good morning, traders. I'm Tom White with your Schwab Network Morning Minute for Wednesday, March 12th. Intel shares are higher after Taiwan Semi approached U.S. chipmakers Nvidia, AMD, and Broadcom about investing in a joint venture to operate Intel's factories, according to Reuters. According to sources familiar with the discussions, under the proposal, Taiwan Semi would manage Intel's foundry division, which produces customized chips for clients, but would hold a stake of no more than 50%. Additionally, TSM has also pitched the idea to Qualcomm, according to one of the sources. And Nvidia shares are higher in pre-market trading after a BofA reiteration of a buy rating and a $200 price target on the chipmaker, telling investors that shares are trading at a very compelling price ahead of the company's flagship GPU tech conference next week. The pipeline will be in focus, and the firm expects Nvidia to present attractive, albeit well-expected updates on Blackwell Ultra, Rubin, next-gen networking for scale-up improvement, and long-term opportunities in autonomous cars, physical AI, robotics, and quantum. And Pepsi shares are slightly lower after Jefferies downgraded the beverage maker to hold from buy with a price target of $170 per share, down from $171. The stock offers limited upside after rallying 7% from January lows, the analyst stated. The firm says Frito-Lay continues to struggle, which will weigh on PepsiCo's multiple. While the company's international remains strong, the U.S. business is still struggling. Jefferies believes it may be several quarters before Frito inflects and better opportunities exist elsewhere in beverages. Be sure to download the Schwab Network app and watch 24/7 on schwabnetwork.com.